It was a simple request to ask for a program that could take an image and identify an object within it, but it's taken years of research to even come close to this. Show a 3-year-old a few photos of a new animal, they can identify it in new pictures. But today, a computer still cannot do that. Computer vision is the task of processing, segmenting, and extracting data from an image. The idea of a computer seeing once sounded absurd. These concepts are already deeply influencing almost every aspect of your everyday life. Today, if you take a photo with your camera, you may think that the data is static, 10, 12 million pixels, just a bunch of numbers go to a computer, right? And it takes a human to identify these contents. Wrong. What if I told you there was a way for computers to process that image and tell you what was in it? Back up your photos from Google Photos, and the images will automatically get tagged and become searchable. Need photos you took at the Eiffel Tower? Need a picture of food? Just search the tag. Computer vision is used everywhere throughout our daily lives, whether you choose to believe it or not. You could say that the computer is becoming self-aware, but that's a little scary, don't you think?
Wait, don't close your eyes just yet. Thanks to advances in machine learning and digital image processing, computer vision has innovated our daily lives without us even realizing its true effects. Computer vision has applications in every field, from farming to transportation to even security. Today, there is an open source robot that can identify specific plants individually and thus target remove weeds. However, this has broad potential, and it can remove the need for herbicides in agriculture. Imagine a chemical-free agricultural sector. I'm sure you've heard about Amazon drones. How will a drone deliver a package to your front door? The answer is quite simple. You can probably guess it. Computer vision. It's just not a GPS. The drone will need to react on the fly, avoiding obstacles in the air like birds or the wind chimes on your front porch. Computer vision is offering a new way to track people in their daily activities, such as dash cams on squad cars that capture license plate details and extract the numbers, thus helping find outstanding tickets or fines in real time.
Like it or not, computer vision has forever changed the way we experience sports and entertainment. Without computer vision, sports would be incredibly boring to say the least. If you watch football on Sundays, which I hope you'll do, you'll notice the little yellow first down line that is on the field before and after every play. Well, how does that get on the field, you say? It's automatically transmitted through a Skycam to the other side of your television. Crazy, right? Not really. The Skycam is suspended on cables above the field that transmits data back to the broadcast truck 30 times per second. All that for one little yellow line you enjoy. When you're watching baseball and you don't agree with the pitch call, you want to see the strike zone, right? The Emmy award-winning system known as the K-Zone was first developed for ESPN in 2001 by Sports Vision Incorporated. The strike zone is obviously different for every batter. The K-Zone sets in the strike zone based on his position in the box and his height. Special sensor cameras are mounted in the center field, high above home plate, and down the first and third base lines. These cameras, which are not used for video broadcasting purposes, track the pitch as it crosses over the plate. The data from these cameras are sent to 4 computers running a sophisticated algorithm which compares the preset strike zone and location of each pitch. This data is then used to generate the 3-dimensional image which we see on television. How about UFC? Who doesn't love this? Oh! This.
That's it!
Oh! This.
No.
Holy sh! Or this. In order to have the fight statistics shown on your screen, a computer automatically counts the strikes on each fight. This is called the fight metric system. The fight metric system utilizes a precise and scientific methodology to analyze MMA bouts across 67 statistical categories, encompassing all strikes, takedowns, submissions, and position changes. In addition to raw statistics, Fight Metric is the vanguard of advanced MMA analytics, creating a proprietary algorithm to produce an overall effectiveness score and pioneering the use of other metrics to foster greater understanding of how MMA bouts are fought. And you thought computer vision wasn't really that crucial for your in-home entertainment.
From your photo albums to your couch to the streets and skies of your city, computer vision is changing every aspect of our daily lives. Computer vision is making people's highest bandwidth sense available to computers and has opened their eyes to the real world and all the information held within it. It's the widest net between the physical and digital worlds. Segmentation, feature identification, and now image recognition have been major steps in the evolution of computer vision. From From the first digital images, computer vision's reach and aptitude has grown exponentially. Today it's taking an image, finding a face, matching an identity. Tomorrow, it may be understanding your expression, letting you know if you're running a fever, or if someone is telling a lie. No matter where it leads, you'll have to see it to believe it.